Good morning, students. Today, I think you all have followed all the classes and you all are going through all the lines of the text as well. So, today we are going to start the last scene for this act. Okay, that is Act 3, Scene 3. Means with this, our portion will be complete. So, here on this particular scene, we will find Prospero to keep sharp eyes on Antonio, Alonso, Sebastian, and Gonzalo. Here, Alonso will somehow he will he will admit rather his guilt, and Antonio and Sebastian they will be a bit more aggressive as usual. Okay, so this is the thing, and they will be Alonso and Antonio. They will replan to conduct their work. To means that is their planning to kill the king Alonso, and everything will be it will be under Prospero's observance, though Prospero will remain invisible using his power of magic. So let us start here in scene 3. Enter Alonso, Sebastian, Antonio, Gonzalo, Adrian, and Francisco. Gonzalo says to Alonso, by your lakin, I can go no further. Means I can swear on the little lady, or that is Mother Mary. I cannot go anymore. I am too tired. I am too weary, so I cannot work further. So my old bones accuse. It's due to my old age that my health doesn't permit me to work further. Here is a maze trod indeed through forthrights and meanderes. We are means it seems as if we are running around some in a around a way that is not means we are running around everywhere, we are walking around everywhere, and we do not have any certain place to go. Rather, I mean, it seems that we are winding up throughout every ways. By your patience, I needs must rest me. Okay, means wherever we go, we come to the same position again. It seems like that. So, which I think we should take rest now. I should take rest now. Alonso says, "O Lord, I cannot blame thee, who am myself touched with weariness to the dulling of my spirits." Yes, I cannot blame you, Gonzalo, because I also feel the same. Means weariness or tiredness, it rather takes possession of me. So all my spirit prove to be dull. Okay, what spirit does he hint at? He hinted at the spirit to find out his son, or the hope he feels like his son is alive. So everything seems to be tired now. So sit down and rest. Even here, I will put off my hope. Yes, as I told you, my hope means the hope that my son is still alive. I think I should end up with this hope, because I also feel like it's something my son is no more. So he's not alive. He is drawn, whom thus we stray to find, and maybe he was drawn, and uh, whom my son, whom we are still finding, whom we still think is alive, actually is not. He is drowned somehow. And the sea mocks frustrate each search on land. We'll let him go. Now he says, and this sea, it's mocking at us, it's laughing, it's making fun of us, because it has means drank my son. So it has my son has been drawn on this sea only. So the sea probably mocks at us as we are means we are searching around him, my son, and it's all in vain. So the sea must know this, and he maybe is mocking. The sea is mocking at us. So, well, let him go. So we think we should let this hope that my son is alive go. Okay, we should not keep this hope within us anymore. Now Antonio says is in aside to Sebastian, I'm right glad that he is so out of hope. Yes, it's good that he is not keeping the hope that his son is still alive. Do not for one repulse forego the purpose that you resolved effect. Do not forget the purpose we have or the planning we have made, as the first attempt was not successful one. Now Sebastian says in aside to Antonio, the next advantage will we take thoroughly. We will definitely make truly. So the next advantage, means the next advantage whatever we get, we will definitely use it in a proper manner, in a thorough way. Now Antonio says in aside to Sebastian again, let it be tonight, for now they are oppressed with travail. They will not know, cannot use such vigilance as when they are fresh. Now they are tired, they are fatigued with their efforts. So let us make it tonight. Okay, because when they will not be tired anymore, when they will be fresh, that time it may be a problem. So let us conduct the work tonight itself. Now Sebastian again says in aside to Antonio, I say tonight no more. So okay, tonight only we will do this work, and you should remain silent now. Do not talk much now. Solomon's string music is heard in the meantime, and Prospero on the top, invisible. As I told, Prospero along with his other spirits, they will be in different shape. All will be invisible. They will enter there and they will play one music over there, and they will dance around them. And at the end, they will keep some food item over there, and they will leave from that place. And the music will also stop. Okay, they will not leave merely, they will remain there, but the music will stop. Okay, now Alonso says, what harmony is this, my good friends? Hark, listen my friend, we find certain good music here. Now Gonzalo says, marvelous sweet music. It's sweet music, it's very marvelous, it's wonderful music. Now as I told, enter several strange shapes bringing in a bouquet, in a banquet, and dance about it, and with gentle actions of salutations and inviting the king etc. to eat, they depart. Yes, they leave by keeping those food items over there. Alonso says, give us kind keepers, heavens. So what were these? Okay, provide us uh, some yes, means the persons who can save us, some saviors. And what type of music is this? He prays. Sebastian says, a living trollery. Now I will believe that there are unicorns. Yes, means it's like some living entertainment show. It like puppet show. So it's certain that type of show that is living, but we cannot they are invisible. We cannot see them. That there are unicorns, that in Arabia there is one tree, the phoenix throne, one phoenix at this hour reigning there. He says that this is something that proves to be some living agents performing some entertainment show like puppet show. And as I can witness this, this makes me feel that yes, there is the existence of unicorn, there is the existence of phoenix. Phoenix are the birds that once in 100 years they just die out of flame fire, and from their ashes only they rebirth. It's a myth obviously. So they are found in Arabian mythology. So where they lives in a tree, and the tree proves to be their throne like this. So he says that all these mythological things seems to be true to me, as I can witness this. Okay, if it can be something real, then those things are also possible to be real. Now Gonzalo says, if in Naples I should report this now, would they believe me? If I report whatever I have witnessed to the people of Naples, will they believe me? If I should say I saw such islanders, for such as these are people of this island, if I say them, I have seen, I have witnessed this, the inhabitants of this island, for sure they are the people of this island only. So if I say them all these things, will they believe? Their manners are more gentle kind than of our human generation. You shall find many, almost any. Now he says their behavior seems to be they are means more gentle, they are more kind than the human being found in this world. The spirits are more gentle and more powerful than the human beings found in this era or in this world. Now Prospero says, honest Lord, in aside says, thou hast said well, for some of you there present are worse than devils. Now he says in aside that you are quite honest to say this, because some people are there among you only, they are even means worse than these devils. Alonso says, I cannot too much muse such shapes, such gestures, such sound expressing, although they want to use of tongue, a kind of excellent dumb discourse. Now he said, Alonso says, I am also quite surprised to witness such shapes and such gestures and whatever sound I hear here, because though they do not have means language, they cannot speak, then also uh, they can they can give good example about themselves than the living human being. Okay, they are better than them. Now Prospero says in aside, praise is departing. This man is making this man's praise is quite hasty. Okay, now Francisco says they vanished strangely. Strange they appeared, the same way they vanished. Now Sebastian says no matter, since they have left their viands behind, for we have stomachs. Now he says that there is, it doesn't matter if they have vanished, if they are not there, because whatever they have left here, that is enough for us to take. Let us we feel hungry, we are hungry, so let us eat whatever they have provided. Will please you taste of what is here? Now he asks the king whether the king will taste whatever is given there for them. Now Alonso says, not I will not taste that. I think for this much, up to this much, let us end today, and the next day we will complete the scene. So I hope you all will definitely go through all the lines and you all will read it carefully. So this much for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.